It's salmon recipe day today.
Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to roast salmon with butter garlic. Hope you like it. This recipe is easy to make and quick to cook, suitable for busy working days. The salmon is tender and juicy, and it tastes really good when paired with the crispy roasted garlic. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe, so you may refer back anytime you like. Ingredients: salmon, chopped garlic, butter. Baking container cover with baking paper. Wash and pat dry salmon with kitchen paper. Place 1 cube butter in baking container. Add 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Optional to drizzle olive oil. Place salmon on butter. Sprinkle grind black pepper. A pinch of salt. Sprinkle your favorite herbs. Spread chopped garlic on salmon. Place 1 mini butter on top. Optional to season with Cajun seasoning powder. Salmon is ready for roasting. Let's roast for approximately 20 minutes. Salmon is cooked. The whole house is filled with fragrance. The salmon is grilled like this, and the texture is not dry or tough at all. It is really delicious. The fatty acids contained in salmon are mainly polyunsaturated fatty acids, especially the omega-3 fatty acids mentioned above, which are unmatched by other things in lowering blood lipids, cholesterol, and protecting the heart. As for the garlic that goes with salmon, it has a killing and disinfecting effect. The allicin it contains can also reduce platelet aggregation, reduce blood viscosity, and promote blood circulation. By the way, if you are looking for healthy low-carbohydrate recipes, welcome to check out my healthy recipe playlist where there are 388 recipes waiting for you. I like easy recipe because I believe that delicious food must be simple and quick to prepare. After all, there are so many things going on every day, right? There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about salmon on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. Moisturized skin is healthy, glowing skin. Omega-3s in salmon skin have anti-inflammatory properties which help reduce acne. Since salmon skin is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and omega-3s, it keeps your skin supple and healthy. As far as protein goes, salmon ranks pretty high for brain health. Fatty fish, like salmon, is high in omega-3 fatty acids that are critical for brain development and function. Additionally, these fatty acids have been found to lower the risk for heart disease, depression, and arthritis. Thanks to the lean protein and polyunsaturated fat, eating salmon as a part of a nutrient-dense, veggie-filled meal can help you stay satisfied longer, minimizing the urge to graze. Just be sure to skip calorie-laden toppings, sauces, breading, or deep frying, which will add saturated fat without any health-related upsides. Eating salmon while pregnant or nursing can bolster fetal brain development. Why? One main reason is that salmon is chock full of DHA, a type of polyunsaturated fat that's readily available in oily fish.
Do eat more this healthy salmon, yeah.
There are more delicious, easy recipes in my channel. Do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.